morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from at this hour. Today is the 17th of September 2021, and it's the end to the trading week. And I hope our week has been profitable thus far. So this morning, I'm going to be speaking on something. I'm just going to be showing you. I'm not speaking much. I just want this video to be shown. I'm going to be showing you a chart. We're just going to dive into a chart so I can show you some patterns that I look for and monitor in the chart that gives me my bias to buy in or to sell or to go long. This is what a lot of traders don't do, because while you are busy looking for robotic signal, which I've told you it doesn't work, it has never worked, it's never going to work. Robotic signal don't work. It's the psychology that intelligent traders all over the world are monitoring, and once the pattern starts building like that, then intelligent traders, since they're tied together psychologically, then they tend to wait for the pattern to build, then dive in, and then that's what now moves the market. But an intelligent trader is busy looking for a robotic signal from these guys that doesn't even know what is going on. Someone will just pay someone to develop any link for him, and then he sends it, starts selling it, and then you're saying you're using that to trade, and that's what makes you profitable. No, it doesn't work. I've never spoken to an intelligent trader or intelligent investor and we now start discussing about robotic signal, because we all know it doesn't work. It has never worked. It's never going to work. We know what moves the market. So this morning, I'm just going to dive into the chart. I'm not going to be talking much today. I'm just going to dive into the chart, and I hope this video is short. Dive into the chart, show you some pointers, and then we'll call it a day. So before we go, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please turn on the notification. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Facebook. I see our Instagram. The last time I pleaded with a lot of people to follow us on subscribe. So I saw that at least we have over 100 or 200 subscribers added to our subscribers. So we're growing. And like I said, once we get to stay, we'll start doing a live webinar, and where we can discuss and share ideas together. So this morning, I'm just going to dive into the chart and show you some pointers, because the market, the way we have, since yesterday or 2 days ago, there's been a tune and a noise going around the market regarding crypto and all that. So we're still going to show that. And also, I believe, like, for the past 2 weeks now, we haven't come back to analyze the chart that we initially sent out, because you know what we do. If you have been following this channel, you know that what I normally do is that we'll post out a scan, a market signal online on a Monday. I analyze maybe a chart, and then I'll send that short people, as in for people that are going short and for people that are going long. So I analyze the chart and also send that weekly peak. Then at the end of the week, on a Friday, we come back to then check and see if actually what we said played out like that. So I think for like 2 weeks now, because this Monday on the 13th of, I think Monday was on the 13th, I wasn't able to send out any. We're not able to send out because I do the chart. I was extremely busy. I was busy because I had to submit an assignment on Tuesday. Yeah, I had to submit an assignment on Tuesday, and the assignment was due on Tuesday. So I didn't even sleep. Even the weekend, I was busy doing my assignment because it was a written assignment and all that. So I was even busy on Friday, on Saturday that I was supposed to be resting. Sunday throughout the night to Monday. So I continued till Tuesday. So I wasn't able to analyze chart that I will send out so that they can make it and then send it out to people. But we did we did enter some position which I already played out, and we are almost done. Apart from this one is done, this one is not done. So we're almost done on all the peak. We already collected profit on some of them. So we're able to open position for ourselves, and there was still some position that we are long on. So that was why I wasn't able. So this morning we're just going to also check and see what played out with the previous analysis that we sent out for like the past 2 weeks now. So we'll see how it is going, because this is not a guesswork. You are able to detail chart and say, okay, this is what I'm looking for, this is what I'm looking at in the market, and then it comes back and it plays out the way you said it and the way you analyzed it. That's what makes you an intelligent, a good forex trader, not those ones selling robotic signal. And if I show you now, you will know, okay, this is what I need to do, because you can have one strategy in the market that you can, just one strategy alone that you use and you say, no, this is what I'm going to be sticking on. Once I see a pattern builds like this, then I will trade. If I don't see a pattern, I won't trade. Because one thing you need to know, we have a lot of principles, we have a lot of position you can open. If there's no pattern building in, let's say, Euro USD, you don't see any pattern there, you go scale, you don't see, then you can go to another peak, a pair, and check as well. You can have one strategy that you stick to and say, no, until I see a pattern builds, until I see this pattern, this is my pattern. You can even name it by your name, even if you are not the one that actually developed that. So you can even name this my pattern and write it down, and until you see a pattern builds like that, you are not opening any position. You will be profitable. It's because you are not patient. You don't want to be patient. You are looking for robotics. Now, someone selling you robotic signal, doesn't even know what he's doing. So it's like a blind man leading a blind man. And at the end of the day, you're going to fall into a ditch. So this morning, let's just go now. Like I said, this video is not going to be long. So we are going to, first of all, go down to our, what's it called? Instagram to check the date it was posted. Also, normally on our Instagram page, it doesn't show. So what is going to happen? Let me pull out the chart first, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, let me now share the screen. I was able to pull them out, so we can just check first. So let's go now. What screen am I using now? So it's screen 4. So we're going to go now to screen 4. Share. And here you have it. Now you can see this. Let me just increase this because I like this. Okay. Let me just increase this. So this is what I'm going to be showing first. So, okay, first let's just go to the Instagram page first. Let's pull out. It's not this one. Let's just refresh. There's my office space. If I put this one here, so it's better. So no. So the last one we did, we posted that this no. So let me go to our home page first. Okay, so this is the one that was sent out. This one was the Euro. I think that this is the one we haven't been able to. This one was posted the 30th of August, 30th of August 2021. So this is the chart. You can see the date here. It was posted 30th of August. This was USD card. So let me pull this up now so we can get this still the chart that I told. If you see on this detailed chart, we're still on this peak, because if you remember, I told people that I am long on this position. Okay, apart from this short position that I took on this peak, but I'm also long. I told you there's a particular broker, there's a particular account that I used for a long period. So this one is this chart that was sent out. So this is not the live market now. We're going to go into the live market now. So we'll see. So I said entry level, wait for pullback, and I detailed my chart by position above one. So let's go now to the live market to see what actually played out. Let me take this one off. I hope you can see. Okay, so this was, we actually saw a pullback to activate entry, and we saw a little pull down. Then we now saw a rally, this on a 1 hour time frame, to close to it our first TP. Our first TP to go eat, if you can see this candle here, to go eat our TP, and then we've seen the struggle at this level. This place is a support zone now, and then we've seen a rally, but we are still on this trend to go eat our TP. So as you can see, I said wait for pullback. We saw a pullback breakout, activate our entry, and then we are now seeing, we saw a continuation rally to go close to a TP, whatever TP did we? 28. No, our PTP was 2850 target one, and if we see a pattern build here, so we are still on this. We are already on profit, but not that more. We're still waiting to hit our TP. We're already on profit on this peak. So this one was the chart that was sent out August 30th, 2021. So now let's go now to the recent one, which was so now we just hit this one is on the daily time frame. So this one was posted. You can see the date here right down here. It's September 6th, 2021. So we can, the reason why we can zoom out on this one. So let's go. Is it this one? Yeah, it was USD Swiss franc. So this was the scan that was posted out. So it was on a daily time frame. You can see it here, daily time frame. And you can see the date was published right here at the top. EGH Lewis, that's my name, published on TradingView on the on TradingView.com, September 6, 2021. So it's not a guesswork. It's not that something that's already happened and happened. No, I don't do that. I know what I'm looking for on the market. I know what I'm analyzing. So that's why I always tell these people that are selling robotic signal. If you believe that, I gave someone what's it called? A challenge. Let's come. You say your robotic signal. I'm open. Anyone that's watching this video, if you know of anyone that wants to challenge and say, yes, my robotic signal works, I have been using it, so come, let's do a chart, analyze the chart, detail your chart, and then let's see how it plays out. So this one was what was posted at TradingView. You can go to our Instagram page. It was posted on the 6th of September 2021. So you can see the date here on tradingview.com is there. And my trading view, this is a paid trading view that I used to analyze a chart where our package is the highest package. I think about $500 something every year that we pay. So this is my trading view. So look at what I saw, and I detailed my chart, a long position above this curve. So let's go now to the live market. You can see it here. You go to our Instagram page. Is there on the 6th of September. So let's go now to see what actually played out. You see now, it's on the daily time frame, and just imagine that's what I told you now, that we're already out of the trade. This is the monitor that we used. We took our profit already. It's on the daily time frame. It was good pips. It's not just so. This is the live market now. The market is still on, as you can see. The market is still on the daily time frame. So we actually saw, this was when, we actually saw, when was this, 30th? And this was a candle that got us in the market. So we saw confirmation. Then we now saw a continuation down on a daily time frame. This, mind you, saw a continuation down, upside, sorry, uptrend. Then we saw a pullback, on trend. Then today, yesterday, yesterday, the 16th of September, we're out of the market. There, it was yesterday that this thing got. We're out of the market. We saw immediately it. Our TP now, take profit one. We are now seeing today candle, which is this red one, this bearish candle. We are seeing pullback. So if I spot by today's Friday now, if I on Monday or Tuesday I spot what I'm looking for at this particular level, let's say at this particular level, this candle builds up and builds to this place, and I spot what I'm looking for, I'm going to activate again, activate another entry here, this place, activate another entry here to go hit our TP2, pending if there's no fundamental that creeps into the market. So this was the scan that was sent out. I just went now, you can see for yourself. The one that was sent out on 30th, we didn't come back to do analysis on it. Then the one that was sent out last week as well, we didn't also come back to do. So today, the Friday of 17th of September, 17th of September, we are not seeing we can see now what just played out. This is not a guesswork, this is what actually play out. So let me just quickly show you what I said I wanted to show you in regards to, if you can, okay, if you notice, like I told you people, you can have one strategy and say, no, this is what I'm looking for. Like you can see this chart now, like the crypto world now, we are expecting now, like we're expecting a rally, a bullish trend now. That's what we are expecting now. That's what links the intelligent investors and traders all together, all over the world. We saw a golden cross that has been punting the market now since yesterday, I think, yesterday or 2 days. A golden cross are just confirmed now, and whenever a golden cross is confirmed, we are up to we are seeing a rally. What's the golden cross? This is the place that we got the confirmation on the golden cross that, yeah, the 50 and the 200 EMA exponential moving average our what is his name? Yeah, yes. So we saw, first of all, we saw a dead. I'm just trying to a dead across at this level, whereby the 200 and the 200 EMA and the 50 EMA got crossed, and then we saw a fall. Now the market was trading above, was trading below this blue one is the 200 EMA, and this red one was the 50 EMA. So the market was trading above the 200 EMA. This was the dead cross that signaled that, yeah, the dead cross just occurred at this level. We are seeing a fall, we are seeing a trend, a bearish trend, and now that's what was going on in the crypto world that a lot of people don't know. You want to dive in, don't dive in, don't do what you don't know. It's better, don't just dive in. So we were waiting for a confirmation of this golden cross that now, yesterday, I think, we finally saw a golden cross that we are now happy to say this is a bullish momentum. Now you see now the 200 EMA is now acting as support at this level. Let me just, the market now is not trading above the 200 EMA and the 50 EMA. And if you can see now with this candle now, this 50 EMA is also now acting as support now. So we are seeing a bullish trend now to maybe to go create another all-time high. So this was what we have been waiting for. A golden cross just occurred here now, and now we are seeing we are going to buyers now are taking over the market. This is a bullish trend now that we eventually lead to go create an all-time high. So someone that doesn't even know what is going on, immediately we saw a dead cross at this level. Someone that is intelligent would have already exited the market at this level. Some intelligent trader will already have exited the market and say, no, I'm out. But an intelligent trader would not, it will still be there thinking it's just a pullback, because now we saw a continuation that then we not saw pullback. It will then we not spotted now this dead cross at this level, whereby the 200 EMA and 50 EMA got crossed. This is a dead cross here. Now we now saw a fall. Even when this candle alone, look at the fall. Someone that is intelligent would have already, because you are seeing now, because one thing I always tell people, when you're seeing a trend like this, and at this level already, you see that this 50 EMA is coming down. It just broke through. If I was this, I would have exited the market at this level, because now I saw now that this 50 EMA just broke through. It was acting as support, if you can see, acting as support, and then we saw this candle violated this support zone at this place where my mark also it violated the support zone, and then I would have been very skeptical at this level already. Violated that support zone, then at this level I would have been skeptical. So this candle now confirmed it. Then I would have been out of the market. Then this one did no, I'm out of, because now I'm seeing that this thing is already trading below the 50 EMA. Now is going to form a dead cross here. This dead cross, so I would have been out of the market at this particular stage. But an intelligent investor or a trader will say, no, it's just a pullback. Then just imagine what happened next. Just imagine what happened next. We saw this candle violated it and broke through the 200 EMA, broke through the 21, broke through the 8 EMA. We saw a fall, and then this was a wipeout of forex trader, the unintelligent trader that are depending on what's it called, on robotic signal, that robotic signal, which doesn't even work. Now we saw a clean out in this candle. I pity for those people as well, because it's not easy. Then this candle came down, wiped out. This one, first of all, wiped out some traders, retail trader, but then maybe you didn't see, maybe there were still some that had, maybe their, what's it called? Maybe their margin was still very large. So this candle said, okay, let me finish the work for you. And it came down straight. Imagine we're trading there already at 50,000, right? Before we saw 51,000 per unit. This is the Bitcoin US dollar. So this one went down to 47, but there were still some retail unintelligent trader that said, no, it's just a pullback. Then this one said, okay, let me finish up the work for you. And this next candle, the 1 hour time frame, this next candle came down and did the work and came down to this level to 42,000. Imagine, from 42,000, and wiped out, cleaned out everything. When it was done, then he immediately retraced and went upside. So, but this one it was a clean out. Why? Because if you are unintelligent, that's what you always get. If you are intelligent, you always fall for people like, because you are not bothered to check what's going on in the market, what's going on, why is this thing like this, why is this thing like this. When you are interested in signal that doesn't work, but it's someone that doesn't even know what he's doing is selling signal. So this is what one of the this is the golden cross rule. This is the dead cross, whereby we started seeing a fall, and now we are seeing a golden cross just build at this level. Now you see now the 50 EM is acting now as support. Now, even if it breaks through a little bit here and reverse, but as long as we have this 200 EMA now, the golden cross confirmation here, now we are seeing a trend now. So this 50 EMA is also acting as support. If you break through, but it can't break through this 200 EMA. So we are going to see a rally, the uptrend momentum confirmation. Once this thing confirms now, maybe we'll now see it trading above the 200, the 8 and 20, 21 exponential moving average. Then we can now see a continuation down. So this is what the intelligent investors and traders have been waiting for. Now it was confirmed. Now we will now see a bullish momentum building. Like I'm still expecting now. If you go to the other coin, like alternative coin, we are still seeing the same golden cross. Some of them are still building up. It hasn't been confirmed yet, while some of them have already confirmed, even before the Bitcoin, some of them we saw a confirmation of some other coin that were already confirmed. And we are seeing Ethereum got confirmed. I'm not sure if Ethereum is confirmed. I think, yeah, Ethereum is confirmed. And we're seeing a bullish momentum now with Ethereum. Now, this is one of the market that I'm in, is S&P 500. I initially did this chart because if you saw the pattern, it has been respecting this level, but there we saw a dead cross at this level. I saw a dead cross at this level because what immediately it broke through here. You see what I said? This was a very pivotal level. It was even trading between the 50 exponential moving average on a 1 hour time frame. Now we saw it broke through this. Intelligent trader. That's what I'm trying to show you so that you know what you're looking for. So don't plug that. These are the signal that intelligent people use. That's what they know. The exponential moving. Now, if you are reading news, you are always hearing is trading below or above the EMA, even on what is trading above the daily EMA on the daily time frame. Is you also 20, 200 EMA, 50 EMA. Just what you need to know. Not looking for signal. Look now, if you are an intelligent trader, that if as I am, immediately I saw this. Let me just zoom out so you can see for yourself. Immediately I saw this breakthrough. This one was the first. Okay, we can confirm that it was the first. It got supported by the 200 EMA. So this one was acting already as 200 as this a support zone. We saw a first breakout here. Then immediately we saw a return and started acting as support. Yeah, that's the 200 EMA acting as support at this level. Let me just acting as support at this level because this was the first breakout. You immediately corrected itself. This was the first breakout. Immediately corrected itself. Then we now saw trading below, trading, and then after that support again here. Yeah. Now this now becomes pivotal to you. We now saw immediately after that support again. We saw all-time high, created an all-time high here at this level. Then this now became pivotal. Then we saw now it broke through the 200, this 50 EMA, and then you should be skeptical at this level. It broke through, what's it called? The 50, and then immediately it broke through this 20. And you now saw we broke through the 20. We can ask, okay, maybe this one is a force as well again, because we saw a force breakout from the 200 EMA at this level. Then we now saw another force again, and you can say, okay, confirmation. We now saw it quickly corrected himself. Immediately it formed a dead cross at this level. You should be out of the market. Now you see now it broke through, and it broke through again. It's forming you saw now it's not coming. It's forming a dead cross now above. It's not going to be trading above the 200 and the 50 EMA, because now you see something's already building up here. Because now it's already trading above the 200 now. It has already violated this level here. Now you should be skeptical as an intelligent trader. It's better you pull out than to be sorry. Oh, if I had no, it's not, you just be losing money. So now we now saw a breakout here, then we saw a fall. Now this one should give you a signal that this thing is, but there's going to be a dead cross at this level already. So you should be wise. Now we saw a dead cross at this level, then we saw a fall to this level to go and act as well as support, because this line now, you see this line that I drew now, that has respected this level to the core. So it now acted, this line acted as support now. Then see what I'm going to show you again. So you are aware of what is going on in the market. So you don't just becomes you're now a tool, and a tool of they are making you from these people. Like the one I saw, you say is doing a birthday. You are doing a birthday, you are still asking people to come and buy your robotics. You don't even know, you want to look for money. There's opportunity in the market. Trust me, there's a lot of opportunities in the market. Go and look for money in the market. So Immediately we saw this dead cross at this level, dead cross at this level, we saw a fall. Then we now saw now this 200, we saw now that is building a golden cross now at this level. So this one has signal a buy position, a buy opportunity for someone that's intelligent. So immediately now we now saw a golden cross at this level build up again, whereby the 50 and the 200 EMB crossed down, trading below. So we now saw continuation, a rally uptrend. Now saw now because this the golden cross forms here, and we now saw now a continuation down uptrend, because this like I told you, I posted something on my personal Instagram page yesterday or 2 days ago or so. I'm already on this trade because we now saw a dead cross form here, a golden cross, sorry, and we now saw it was respecting. Now again we saw a dead cross form at this level. You need to be at alert to know when something is forming, and you know, okay, this thing you are monitoring. Okay, this thing is like it's forming now. You are monitoring this thing. That's what makes you an intelligent trader. You need to wait and say, okay, this thing is what I'm expecting at this level. Let me monitor it and see how it plays out. That's what makes you intelligent. That's what makes you intelligent. Now we saw a dead cross at this level, and then now we now saw a fall. Now we now saw now that this is not trading below above the 50 EMA. Now if you notice now, this word intelligent, your intelligence comes to play. Now we are seeing now, if this is a live market scan, we are seeing now that there's about to be a golden cross at this level. So as an intelligent, maybe at this level, maybe the golden cross will form, or at this level, we will now see a golden cross again that will now signal a rally up, maybe to break, build another all-time high. So this now is just an analysis that I am showing you so that you understand what is going on in the market. So that you understand what is going on in the market, so you don't just dive in and dive. You see now, someone said that there's a lot of there are a lot of a signal and a pattern that I'm watching. You need to be patient. Just don't force the market. Let the market play out whatever it wants to play out. But just know what you're looking for, what you are what's it called? You are looking at, for what you are checking, what you are observing, and say, okay, this is what is going to, like what I saw now. This is S&P 500. You can do your chart, and we are seeing today is the 17th of September. Now we are seeing like golden cross is building. Once it gets confirmation, now we will see another all-time high to go create another all-time high. Then make quick money, and then you relax again. If anything is building, because why? Unintelligent investors are just going there, poof, poof, they are putting their money poof, and losing money because they don't know what they are doing. They just maybe like, what's it called? The euphoria of the people are doing it, let me do it. That's what has gotten a lot of trader into issues and problem. That's what has gotten them into a lot of issue. So because the people are doing it, let me just dive in, dive out, because you don't even know what you're looking for. You don't even know what pattern you are building. Like what I just analyzed to you now, the golden cross. You see now, whenever we saw a dead cross, we saw a fall. Whenever we saw a golden cross, we saw a bullish trend to go create all-time high again. So now this place now is telling me, let me just quickly share it again. It's telling us now that, hey, bro, we are creating another all-time high. Once you get the confirmation at this level, if you see this trend that I have been, you saw, let me just extend this thing. Let me just extend this. It's my mouse. I don't know if it's the mouse. You see now that it has respected this level now. Now we just saw now another. You see now, if you can see now, I just zoom it now. You can see the golden cross now is building up already. So what you do now today, this on a daily, sorry, on a 1 hour time frame. So maybe hopefully before the end of today, before the end of today, now we'll see the golden cross build, confirmation of the golden cross at this level. Then you are relaxed and say, okay, let's watch and see how it plays out, because this is what the intelligent people are waiting for. They are waiting for. You see, the intelligent people, this signal. This is what the signal that we use. But you are looking for someone that doesn't even know what is going on. This is what the intelligent investors are using. This is what the market gurus, the financial gurus are using and saying, yes. If you listen to news, you see sometimes they are on the markets, we're watching all that. It's trading below, above the 200, the 50 daily MA and all that. So you know what? Don't look for people that don't even know what they are doing. Someone that cannot even analyze the chart. So you see, one of the patterns that I use, and sometimes I spot or a bullish engulfing pattern, or a bearish engulfing pattern, or a shorting star. There was one market I showed you. I told you, I was inside the market. Then it was trying to form an inverter hammer. The candle that was a few days ago. Was it this week or last week? It was trying to form an inverter hammer. It was on the bullish trend. I was asking myself, what is going on here? Why are you forming an inverter hammer at this level? You were not supposed to see an inverter hammer at that level. Immediately, I was watching. It was this guy. I was just watching the candle, because it was on a 1 hour time frame. It was almost the 1 hour was almost elapsing. So I was watching to see what if that just formed an inverter hammer, closed at that inverter hammer at that 1 hour. I would just close the position. So later I was watching the. And also it just formed a shooting star. It was forming like a dodge, so it formed a shooting star, and then also a continuation around the uptrend. So these are what you need to be watching and looking out for in the market if you want to be profitable. I'm not going to lie to you. If you want to be, like I told you, I'm staying. I have a lot of what's it called? Because a lot of people keep asking me about what's it called, broker and all that. I have a lot of them. Like if I show the email, I have a lot of them that I'm in negotiation with. They want a partnership with my company whereby we can but I'm not so focused on commission. I'm looking for a brokerage that will inculcate and add a learning platform to our agreement, to the negotiation, so that we'll say the learning platform is going to be anybody that comes in, even as a new beginner, you have access to that learning, inside that platform, which you will not be paying for. I don't want you not be subscribing for learning every month. So that's what I'm trying to build. It's going to be free of charge for forex. Even like a new business coming up, you have access to that learning. But all you need to do is to then you can fund your account. You can first of all be trading with them while you are learning. Then once you now done, then you cannot fund your account, which you see there. You fund it yourself. Then what will do? You can have access to my trading, copy my trading automatically. So it is going to be like a community. So I'm still negotiating with them. I have a lot of offer, but that's what one of my major tick that I want them to inculcate in that agreement, if they want, because I want us to educate a lot of African youth, so that they can remove their eyes from these people that are selling robotics and focus on learning, which is the only way. Learning first, then the money will not follow. If you can dedicate yourself and dedicate your attention to learning, you will never cease to grow. You see yourself moving stage by stage and growing. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get these people, once we are able to reach an agreement, then we'll get them together. So those of you asking me, we'll do a flyer, post it out, and so that we'll get Africans that are invested. So what your own is, you are coming in, but then you are learning as well, even while you are trading. So you will not be paying for it. That's what I want to. I don't want you come in and then you will now be paying subscription. No, that's not a way to go. So that's what I'm trying to do. So once I get a broker, because majority of them are just interested in they want my commission. They are most of what I've told them, I'm not interested in my commission. No, this is what I want. I want us to build a community of intelligent forex traders that can remove their eyes from this, get money quick, and focus their attention on building a good portfolio for themselves. Because like I always say, like I said last, don't confuse consistency in the market with profitability. You can be profitable today and you are out of the market tomorrow, but once you build consistency in the market, you'll see yourself building wealth and accumulating wealth at the end of the day. So that's what I want. I want people to remove their mindset, people that are just coming in, to remove their mindset first from being profitable now, so that they can focus their mindset on learning. I want to be consistent in this thing. And once you're consistent in this thing, you will now see yourself being profitable at the long run. But if you come into the market with being profitable now without being consistent in the market first, you see yourself, you're going to come in, you're going to go out, you're going to come in, you're going to go out. And that's not a way to go in life. So I want people to come in with learning mentality. So we're going to inculcate that into the agreement if we are going to sign. Then those of you asking me that you need learning and all that, then we cannot come in. I will make sure, that's what I'm making sure that you are not paying. But the only thing now is that once you start learning, then you now fund your account with the broker. Then it's going to be like I don't know what they call it, whereby I might not even be sending that chat now to you, Instagram and all that. So it's going to be like a platform whereby you can easily see what I'm trading. Any trade that I post on that platform, you can easily see what I'm paying. You are not going to be paying for what's it called, monthly subscription, or to pay money so that someone will add you to a WhatsApp group. No, you are going to be there for free. You're going to fund your account yourself. You're going to be managing your account yourself. You're going to be trading yourself, your profit. If you want to withdraw, you're going to go and withdraw your money and goes to your account directly. It has nothing to do with me. But what I'm there for is to give you the guidelines and the proper teaching that you will need to become profitable. So you will not see yourself, will not build a community of people whereby people are intelligent. You are making money. The broker is getting his commission. Me that I'm posting, I'm getting my commission. You that is trading, you are making your profit. So everyone will be happy. And at the end of the day, we'll see ourselves taking this forex by storm and bringing in people, intelligent people, whereby you are learning, you are making money, you are learning, you are making money, you are learning, you are making money. Because the learning stage is a lifetime. You keep on learning until we all die. You keep on learning. So that's one thing we need to know. You don't just I know this now. Oh, okay, I'm gone. No, you still come back, because the world is revolving. The world is we're having what's it called? Invention. People are inventing new things. New things are coming up. The news that you might not hear, I might hear, just maybe the news just broke out. You are not aware yet, but maybe it got to me first. I can quickly post it there and say, look at what just happened now. Everybody will be at alert. So you, I think, now, okay, this something is happening. Maybe a news just broke out. You heard the news. I have not been able to gain access to that particular news. So you can also post it and say, look. Which also will build a community of investors and traders, because like I want us to move our mindset just from trading forex and now into proper investment, whereby you now build wealth for a longer term and all that. So that's what I wanted to show you. Now you've learned about this. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, share to your friends so that they will have that awareness also, so that we can take this market by storm and eradicate and drive out those robotic signal guide. I don't even know what they are doing. I was doing an interview, they were asking him questions about him. He doesn't even know what he's saying. It's just, if you ask them what's the EMB, they don't even know. What they know is how to cajole you to come and enter their trap. So that will be all for now. I hope your week was profitable, and I hope your weekend will be restful and peaceful. So have a lovely weekend, have a lovely day, keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye for now.